The PMA Colleges was established on September 18, 1948 as the first private maritime education school in the Philippines, founded by Admiral Thomas Cloma, who discovered the Kalayaan Group of Island or Freedom Land. PMA Colleges is undisputedly recognized as the pioneer and leader in private maritime and custom administration. It has successfully complied with the requirements set forth by AJA or Anglo-Japanese American and has been ISO 9001-2000 certified since 2005. Now, ISO certified PMI Colleges is recognized as a world-class maritime school and it banners maritime education that is excellently programmed with competent faculty. PMI Colleges has a vision as to be a center of excellence in maritime and custom administration. PMI has a complete facilities and has a training ship for marine transportation and marine engineering to familiarize themselves with actual ship technical knowledge and situations. Also have a recreation center for physical educations. PMI Colleges is now offering the following courses: Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, 12-month Seafarers Training Course, Bachelor of Science in Custom Administration, and also Master Custom Administration, PMI Manila only. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and be a world-class Filipino mariner, or be a custom broker and also be a dollar earner. See the world free.